Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to outline image in GIMP. Let's begin. First, upload your image, and once done, I want you to right click on your image selection, alpha to selection, select this one, then click on select, grow. This is going to be the size of our outline. I'm going to put on 30, click on OK. Then click on the plus icon to add a layer. Just type any reference you would like to, and then click on OK. We're going to drag this at the bottom of our original photo. Then over here, choose any color you would like to be for the foreground color. It can be anything. I'm going to choose white. OK. Then press on Edit, Fill with the background color. Choose that. Click on select and then choose none. And there you go. Quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.